first of all, thanks a lot for joining us
Thank you for
at
having
the
me.
Hacker House. It was a great session. I just wanted to start off with, asking how did your journey into Web3 begin? In fact, just coding begin, or then how did you get into Web3 after that?
Interesting. So I was like a Web 2 developer for sure. Starting off, like I have built some stuff in like design aspects. Then gradually I went into hacking. Hacking in the sense of information security part. Like I was a bug bounty hunter, and in college time I was like, okay, let's do it. It's good. Hacking is good. But the thing which hit me is people was there. They were charging a heavy amount, and then I switched to crypto. I requested money of the organizations in 2018 and they agreed on this point that hey, we can give you this amount in crypto. So after crypto, eventually got interested in how this is working in background, like how Ethereum is working, how Bitcoin blockchain itself is working. Then even some enterprise grade blockchains like Hyperledger Fabric. I've worked there. Then even worked at Tech Mahindra as in technical team or research specific team, sorry, where I built an NFT marketplace, and that was super awesome for me to boost. Of course, COVID was a booster for everyone in Web3. Then I worked at Polygon. I worked at Polygon around 7 months. Believe me or not, every single day, 10 to 20 projects are there which I've interacted with. Either NFT, gaming, metaverse, DeFi based projects. So I could just, hang out with them, onboarded them on Polygon and stuff like that. Further, before that as well, like I was following IPFS very closely in general. I have even, built some things on Tifoli itself and other hacking platforms. Then, IPFS was a booster. Then last year, Filecoin launched that the 1 year of orbit was complete. So they have launched FVM. They named as FVM, which is Filecoin Virtual Machine, which is computation over data for storage. So that was an amazing thing, which I loved it and have applied again. So for the background, previously I've applied before, but I didn't got selected. But again, I've applied and got selected for the heavy interviews and stuff. So yeah, then I got into Protocol Labs. So if you're not aware of Protocol Labs is building IPFS, Filecoin, libp2p, and lots of other protocols which even I'm not aware of completely. So yeah, that's that.
Also, what do you do at Protocol Labs as of now, and what is the most exciting part of what you do?
So at Protocol Labs, I was onboarded as developer advocate. So in developer advocacy, DevRel part is there, building stuff is there, and stuff like that. Further, I'm involved in complete ecosystem growth team. So I'm doing development part, DevRel part, product part, and business development part as well. So yeah, in general, like I'm very closely working with two products, which is built on top of IPFS and Filecoin, and Fiat storage and Web3 storage, which is pretty much exciting. And like yeah, lots of NFTs we have onboarded on NFT storage.
Nice. I mean, how was your, you were a mentor at the Polygon Fellowship. So how has that experience been? What kind of fellows did you interact with?
I think I was almost every day I used to ping them, hey, what are you building and stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, interaction with them was pretty amazing. Even they have pinged me a lot in general on mail, on Discord, everywhere. But yeah, I think they are building some great stuff. Some are building in DAO stuff, some survey forms, some in gaming aspects. So pretty much awesome things. Let's see how it goes. The complete product demo day.
Awesome. And what's been the most exciting part about the Web3 ecosystem or the community, right? Which is different from your Web2 experience, maybe.
So, I mean, I don't have much Web2 experience in general, I would say, because yeah, I've worked at the Starks Foundation, which is I would say, an organization who is building for, in general, Web2 development stuff, and I've worked there. So, in general, experience was good. But coming to Web3, it's for sure a paradigm change. Like you're doing the Web2 part, further you're doing other stuffs as well. But yeah, for sure we want to remove the backend part, remove the client server model. So yeah, that's what the love. Like I fell into Web3.
Awesome. And what's fine question. What's your like one piece of advice for the upcoming builders and anybody who starts off developing or coding right now?
I would say like start building some things, test out with lots of protocols. Like you might have seen, like, even I don't know how many protocols are there in protocol labs. So test out with each and every protocol how much you can, and test out with different blockchains. Test out how you can do with NFT space, gaming space, metaverse space, DeFi. Like in general, metaverse is quite huge. Even Web2 folks are coming into Web3 world, though it's got sound like a gimmick, but then too they are coming. But yeah, in general, it's a quite good step, I would say. But let's see, even governments have to do some regulatory stuff and stuff. But in general, advice will be start building today.
Awesome, perfect. Thanks a lot, Piyush. This was great.
Thanks for having me.
Yes.